You open Affinity and the interface looks like someone spilled 400 buttons in your screen. Don't worry, today we are bringing order into the chaos. I show you how to rearrange toolbars, hide panels you will never touch, and save your layout before you inevitably ruin it again. Think of it as a digital interior decorating, but for your sanity. Here's the plan. Tame the toolbar, organize your tools, fix the side panels, and save whole setup as a preset, so your Affinity stops gaslighting you when it resets itself. Let's start at the top. This line up here is a toolbar. It's a shortcut shelf, quick access things like toggle mode, snapping, align, and all important buttons. You can change what lives here. Right click everywhere on it and choose customize toolbar. Like go here, right click and customize toolbar. A new window pops up with every possible icon known to Affinity. Drag what you need onto the bar and drag off what you don't. So all you have to do is find what you need, just click on it and drag it on the toolbar. Now it lives here. Let's do one more. Boolean operation, click it and drag it here. And you can even separate them with the separator. And again, just click on it and drag it where you want the separator to be. If you somehow remove everything and panic, calm down. Click Customize Toolbar again and drag the default set back in. Consider that your interface detox. So basically, if you don't want something here, just again, you have to be Customize Toolbar mode because it doesn't work when you are not. So again, right click, Customize Toolbar, and now you can click and drag them all. But right now, let's put those and now they live on your toolbar as long as you keep them. Underneath is the context toolbar. This one is moody. It changes based on what you're doing. Text selected. Let's select text. It's this box here, frame text tool. You'll see fonts and alignment. And when you have brought in the picture and click on it, you can see replace image, tone map, stroke. You can't customize this bar, but you can hide it in the view. So all you have to do is go to view, then context toolbar and unclick show, and it's gone. But don't do that because this bar helps you out a lot. So go back, view, context toolbar. If you want it to be untopped, you go view, context toolbar, and now you can move it around and put it down here. But I personally like it when it's stock. On the left here, you'll see tools panel. These are your weapons of creation. The move tool, frame text tool, picture frame, shape, pen, and bunch of others you ignore. You can move entire panel if you want. Just again, go to view, tool, and you can give it more like Illustrator vibe. But again, I like it when it's docked, so put it back here. To customize which tool appears, go to View, Tool, Customize. You'll get a menu full of tiny icons, some of you never noticed before. Add or remove as you like. If you're new, keep the defaults, but you'll thank yourself later when you realize that every missing tool was actually important. And to add or remove tools, you again just click on it and drag it on the right panel. And you can put it wherever you like. And if you don't want it anymore, then again open this Customize Tool panel, then click on the tool and drag it on, and it's gone. Panels. Here is your pages, your assets, your stock photos. You can connect with Pixelbay and Pexel, and you can get pictures right from here. You just have to drag them in. Let's show you. Let's say sunset. And all you have to do is just drag it in, and you don't have to go to the page and download it from there. So back to pages. here is your master page and pages. We're gonna talk about those a little bit later. Now on the right side panel, you have your layers, your text styles, your transformation, your color. And if you know you don't need anything, just click on that tab, drag it out and close it. And you can customize it as you like. So just keep here what you are using, and what you don't need, you can close it and you have more real estate on the right. But if later on you find that you really need it, all you have to do is to go to Windows, and under here is everything you need. We deleted navigation. Navigation is under General and Navigation, and you can put it back where it was before. In this tutorial purposes, I can set it out like I use it. So for sure I don't need this navigator. History, I don't care about that. Transformation, put it up here, so we have more room to layers, characters, paragraphs and text type. Okay, I'm happy with that. On the left side, pages, asset stocks is good right now. Maybe let's go to Window, General and brushes, and let's put brushes after. And now I have all my brushes here too. Once you have arranged everything the way you like, toolbar neat, panels tame, tools in line, it's time to save your masterpiece. All you have to do is go to Window, Panel, Add Present, and you can name it however you like it. In my case right now, I will name it Affinity YouTube Tutorial. Okay. And now, if you for some reason gonna change anything, you're gonna close them. They are disappearing. Let's make some more changes. That one. You have done many changes, and you are too lazy to put everything back where they were. All you have to do is go to Window, Panels, find your panel that you just created, click on it, and everything is back where it was. Pro tip, make a second preset for specific tasks. For example, a text layout preset with just text related panels, or image editing one with layers and coloring only. Switching presets instantly transform a layout into whatever setup you need. Let's recap before Affinity forgets your preferences again. You customized the toolbar, you respected the context toolbar mood swings, you tamed the tools panel, you rearranged Studio, you rearranged the panels, you saved your workspace like a responsible adult. You are now officially the Marie Kondo of Affinity layout. Next up, we'll actually make something. Your first real multi-page document, complete with margin, columns and a mild fare of commitment. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm Martin, and this was episode 3 of teaching Affinity Who's Boss.